2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.